Hey everyone, we're the Kaplan Kitchen and we hope that you enjoy Sound and Spirit's first ever virtual concert. We have a nice little drink recipe that the whole family can enjoy while you enjoy the concert. So we're thankful for Sound and Spirit and we hope you enjoy the concert.
Cheers! This is delicious. It's a really easy recipe. It's so quick and easy to make. And we use it in our crock pot. We make it in the crock pot. So we can just throw in all the ingredients and walk away, and we come back later and it's all good to go. If you don't have a crock pot, you can do it on the stove in a regular pot also. Perfect for a cold winter's night.
Or fall.
Or it's good in the morning too, with breakfast instead of tea or coffee.
Any time of day.
Really?
Any season. What?
Okay, so let's get started.
Great. Let's
Here we
get
go.
started.
Would you like to cut the lemon into very thin slices, or would you like to add the liquid to the crock pot?
Ooh, I want to add the liquid to the crock pot.
Okay, so I'll cut the lemons. It's a half gallon.
Or 4 quarts. We just spent like probably 15 minutes trying to figure out liquid math. This is a gallon, which is 4 quarts. Take it out.
Thank you. So we just needed one.
Oh, silly.
Well, we're gonna use the one that's already open.
But you don't know.
All right, fine. Off camera, we're like, wait.
That was not off camera.
Oh, it was on camera? Awesome. So we'll cut to a little bit of that.
No.
Basically, we were trying to figure out, apparently
my God.
one of these is 2 quarts. We needed 2 quarts.
Right?
Yeah. Anyway, add 2 quarts of apple cider to your crock pot or regular pot if you don't have a crock pot. So once you have your 2 quarts of apple cider, you're gonna add 6 cups of cranberry juice.
Yeah, you are.
There you are.
What's the matter? Right there, see?
So it's up to the top.
Yeah. And this makes enough for like a party, which we're not doing this year because thank you 2020. Can you believe that we're still
I can't
in
believe
the
it.
times of COVID-19?
I cannot.
When we did the very first Kaplan Kitchen way back in April, I never would have thought that we would still be in quarantine-ish.
Neither would I. And if you want to close your eyes during this part, it sounds like something else.
No. Family friendly.
It sounds like a waterfall. What were you thinking?
Oh God. Oh, help me. This lemon had a ton of seeds in it.
Should have gotten the seedless one.
I know, right?
Come on, scientists, get on it. Seedless lemons.
Yeah. This is the hardest part of the recipe. And it's not hard.
Fun fact of the episode, you know that cranberries are ripe when they bounce. Not even joking. I learned that in elementary school, I believe 2nd grade. We had cranberry day.
Shout out to your 2nd grade teacher.
Miss Tracy.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I think it was Miss Cornley's class that we did it.
Oh, okay.
3rd grade. But anyway, we talked all about cranberries, and then we found out that they have like this test where they drop it, and if it bounces a high amount, then it's ripe.
This is an option. I think this is an optional ingredient because the apple cider and the cranberry juice is already so sweet that you don't really need it. But
Just thinking about it.
if you would like a little extra sweetness, you're sweet. Good
girl, ready?
Jessica, you whisper.
Good girl. Can you sit?
Sit. What a
smart boy.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
What's 1 plus 1?
Good girl.
You're smart. You're
So
smart.
smart.
You're cute.
All right. A 1/4 cup brown sugar. And it's sort of hard to, I won't do it. Go ahead. Oh.
Careful, it's scary.
That was awesome. That was...
Poggers. To this, we're gonna add 4 cinnamon sticks. And here's the thing, I'm gonna And we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of whole cloves and the lemon slices. So we're gonna just throw it all in, but if you want, you could bring back the soup stock. Could bring back the
We're
soup
not gonna
stock.
stop you.
And then you can put it all in the soup stock and throw it in, and then when it's all ready, you can just take out that soup stock and it's all.
You said soup stock 4 times already this episode.
I'm a big fan.
Alright, so anyway, fun fact of the day, Ryan played a cinnamon stick in a musical one time. Let's get that picture up on the screen now.
Oh, I thought you meant he played it like a musical instrument.
Oh! 3/2 teaspoons.
So it's 1.5 teaspoons of whole cloves. And the thinly sliced lemon wedges. These aren't wedges, these are slices, lemon slices.
This is what the pot looks like. So in here, we got 2 quarts of apple cider, 6 cups of cranberry juice, 4 cinnamon sticks, 1.5 tablespoons of cloves. Teaspoons of cloves.
Yeah, that's a big difference. Teaspoons of cloves.
1/4 a cup of brown sugar,
Yeah.
which she thinks is optional.
Optional,
I don't.
yeah.
And 1 lemon thinly sliced. And you put it in a bowl and you mix it
Give it a
up.
little mix. I'm gonna turn on our crock pot.
Turn on the crock pot.
Oh, I'm gonna put it, you can put it on high or low because you're really just heating it up all together. I'm gonna put it on high because I want it done faster tonight. I want to enjoy it faster. And then you just cover it up. And you come back to it when it's nice and warm.
Let's take the elevator.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, ready? Bing.
Happy holidays, Ryan. Thanks, Ben. Aren't you gonna wish me happy holidays? So, it's been a little while. It's heated up and now it is hot. You can tell because the glass is steamy.
Right.
And now it's ready. It's so easy and it's so delicious.
I think it's been sitting for cooking and heating up for about an hour and a half, I think.
But honestly, just like as long as it's
As long
warm,
as, yeah,
it
exactly.
can take like 3 minutes. So we're gonna pour a nice little glass of this here.
Oh, yep.
What
What are you doing? I'm fine. I'm fine.
So anyway, that is the drink. And
Warm apple cider. Warm apple cranberry cider. Cheers.
Cheers, family.
Yeah.
So that's all there is to it.
Yep.
It's delicious, it's quick, it's simple. Only like 6 ingredients, 7. I don't know, I didn't
less. Yeah, not much.
count. And it's just a great recipe for the whole family to enjoy.
It's great.
It's
Cheers.
great. Cheers to that.
Oh. No.
As always, like, subscribe, let us know what we should make next, and if you make it, send us pictures, we'd love to see it.
Let us
Until
know.
next time, we're the Kaplan Kitchen. See ya!